Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Anybody that is new to the channel, my name is Chris, and in this video I want to talk about and explain to you guys what exactly is a market cap in stocks. Okay, now a market cap stands for market capitalization for a stock or for a company. Okay, any company that is publicly traded on the market has a market cap. For example, I'm using the example of Apple right now. Okay, they are trading for $121.42. If this is Yahoo Finance and every brokerages that you have or that you use or any website that's talking about stocks is going to give you guys the basic information about that particular company. Most importantly, the market cap. So if we scroll down, you're going to see market cap or market capitalization, and the market cap of Apple is $2.038 trillion. Okay, now market cap is very different from company to company because it all depends on the valuation of that particular company. Now, how do you get the market cap for that one particular company? You basically look for how many outstanding shares there are. You multiply it by the current stock price, okay? And as the stock price fluctuates up and down, the market capitalization also fluctuates up and down, okay? If we want to look at it more technically, market cap measures what a company is worth on the open market as well as the market's perception of its future prospects because it reflects what investors are willing to pay for its stock. Okay, that is basically what the market capitalization is for every company. Again, every company that is publicly traded on the NASDAQ or the OTC market has a market capitalization. I do hope this video did help you guys understand what a market cap is. If you guys did enjoy the video, please remember to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down to the channel. I'm going to be giving you guys more videos to basically help you guys understand every little detail about evaluation of a stock and what exactly is a stock. So hope you guys follow the journey, and hopefully I make you guys a lot of money long term. All right guys, thank y'all for watching and peace out. Have a great day.